Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to share with you how to save Google Photos to a gallery. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be have some photos in your Google Photos and but you might be want to save some photo to your gallery. But whenever you go open your Google Photos, that is not appear in your mobile gallery. You might be decide to save some photo to your Google photo to your gallery. For example, you can see this is in my picture and I want to save this picture in my gallery. So what you have to do, open the picture and click this three dot, and then you're going to see a pop-up appear. Just click here download, and that's going to be download, and it's automatically going to save in your gallery. If I go open my gallery, and then you're going to see just now I had download the photo. It's now appear in my photo album, which is in my phone. If I go again, try another photo, let me open the Google Photos and let me try to download this photo. So what you have to do, open the picture and click this three dot and click here download, and that's going to be download, and it's automatically going to be saved in your photos or album, whatever you say. It's going to be automatically going to be appear there. So in this way you can easily download Google Photos to your gallery. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.